Hold up, Poowattadobeatz, that shit.
Yo, what it do, fam? Today we're back with a new video and let's get into this cook up right horror. Alright, so what we got right here is like a sack type beat. I was going more for like a little TYS, more, you know, the northern type rapper type beat, so you know, just changing it up right now. So let's get into it. Alright, so for the first thing we got for this beat were these piano chords right here that I got from Contact. That's how it sounds right here. So after that, what I did was I just copied and pasted those chords. Alright, I just pasted those same melodies onto this right here on a pad. And what I'll do is I'll get... yeah, I'll take those off because there's no need for any of these. So when you put those together, it's kind of what you get right here. Alright, so after that, what we got were these. I went to Arcade and I got these vocal chops from Distant Voices. And this is how it sounds right here. So when you put that with some of the beat, this is how it sounds. So then after that, what we did was we went into Hive and we got these little bells. And if you watch a lot of my videos, you don't even need to question what sound it is. You're gonna know right now. So this is what the pattern we got for the bells. And it's nothing too crazy, just to fill in the background a little bit. So when you put these three melodies together, it's kind of what you get. Alright, so after that, what we did was we went into elect tracks real quick and did this little bass line. And nothing too crazy. It's a little simple bass line. Kind of just threw a little variation at the end, but otherwise then it's pretty simple, is what you get right here. Alright, so now I'm going to take you guys into the drums. And I'll play the drums for you guys just so you can hear them real quick. All I got is really the kick, claps, hi-hats, and some perks. So this is how the drums sound together. So this is how the drums sound together. These are the little perks I have in here. It's a open hat and a stomp. Then after that, what we did was we added in these hi-hats. And what I did, I'll just loop the bar because I didn't have to copy and paste it. What the hell? I'll play the hi-hats by themselves just so you guys could hear them. And usually it's actually pretty cool to throw in a lot of the sack type beats have this little that little downscale. I'm trying to. Alright guys, so that's pretty much the whole beat right there. Appreciate you guys for sticking through to the end. For everybody that's new to the channel, subscribe, comment who you guys want to see next. Let's get it. Like, comment, subscribe, get the channel to 250. I'm out.